everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have a quick and easy keto, low carb appetizer, or you can make a meal out of it, and it's so simple and it is delicious. This week my Aldi's had jalapeno peppers on sale for 79 cents a bag, so I had to get like way too many bags of them. So what we're going to do, first thing we're going to do is, you're going to have to decide, is this going to be a meal for you, or you want to go to like the hors d'oeuvre thing. Now if I'm just going to do them like if I'm having a party or somebody over or whatever, and you want to do the hors d'oeuvres, I would just cut them right down the middle so that way you would have two. Can't get much filling in them, and you can kind of stretch them out. If I'm just going to be eating them, I like to take them and cut a little wedge out the top so I have a deep pocket in there I can stuff full of goodness. So that's what we're going to do. I've already seeded and cut all of these, and what I'm going to do is the back of them, I'm just going to give them a quick spray with some coconut oil so they'll cook a little bit while they're in the oven when the filling's cooking. So just a spray, or you could just sprinkle some olive oil on them, rub them with olive oil, or you don't have to put anything. It's up to you completely. But for our filling, and you can do this vegetarian, you can leave the meat out, but I'm going to put a cup of ground hamburger meat that I had left over. So I'm going to put that in, and I have a cup of extra sharp cheddar. And you can add taco seasoning, you can put salsa in it, I mean just whatever you want. And I have 4 ounces of cream cheese, I'm going to put that in, and then I have 2 scallions chopped up. So this is going to be really low carb, I mean really. I think a jalapeno pepper might have half a carb per pepper, and then our hamburger meat has no carbs. I did use pre-shredded cheese, so it does have some carbs in it. And bring your cream cheese to room temperature. Mine's not quite room temperature, so I'm going to have to work with it a bit. But anyway, just get it in the bowl and get everything all mixed up. If you had some leftover chili, you could put a little chili in there. That would be good. Or you could just do the cream cheese with the cheddar, the sharp cheddar. Okay, we've got that all mixed up now. I've got a little tiny baby spoon.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take it and just spoon my filling and pack as much in these peppers as I can get. Okay, I've got the jalapeno poppers out of the oven, and oh, doesn't that look just so good? They smell great. I got them on the little serving tray with some sour cream in the middle if you're having guests and want to be fancy smancy. Me, I'm just going to eat them off the plate. But anyway, let's give one a, ooh, they're hot. Ooh, they're hot, they're hot. Let me cool off a bit. Okay. I'm just going to put a little sour cream on here. Cool it down a little bit. That was so good. But give this recipe a try. Let me know how you like it. It is hot though. Jalapenos are hot, but I love spicy. So remember, Sissy can do it. You can do it too. Everybody have a great day. Bye.